Hey guys, I am Nikki So Jazzy and I'm back again with another Polygel nail tutorial. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing, and if not, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit like before you go. So this is going to be the final look of the nails that we're going to work on today. And it's pretty easy to get this purple striped kind of glass look. I already started prepping my nails. I did the filing already, so we're just going to go in with the base coat first. And before we begin, you do want to make sure that that dual form does fit to your nail, and I'm just using the nail solution to make sure that the brush is moisturized before we go in and build that gel. Using the brush, I'm going between the nail solution and the gel to lightly tap it into a nail form. The clear gel is kind of tacky, so you want to be careful with it. Here we're just gonna add some foils and some stars and things so that we can give it maybe like a 3D kind of under effect. And I did try my best to get it in the shape of like a French nail tip. Now to carefully place that dual nail onto our nails and do any cleanup if necessary. And once again, I'm using the clip. You can use the clip, you don't have to, just to flatten the bed of the nail. Now for the second nail, we're going to follow almost the same steps that we did for the first nail, except for the fact that we're not going to put the foils and stars in the French nail tip position. We're going to put them all over. And before we finish that nail, we're going to add a little bit of light pink and kind of swirl it in with our brush. Don't put too much, just a bit to swirl it in to give it kind of like a little tiny marble effect. For the third nail, we're following the same exact steps as the second nail. So for time's sake, I did skip showing the rest of the nails how I did them, but I did them the same exact way except for the pinky, which I did that one completely clear. So this is what we should look like before we go in and shape and design. The design color is going to be by So or Sue Nails, called Hit It First, a purple that I absolutely love. And we're starting by painting the entire pinky purple first. For this nail design, I did first put down 3 strips of tape, leaving space in between each strip so that I could get the stripe effect that I wanted. So we're just gonna peel that off carefully after we cured it a little bit. For the half and half look, this nail has the tape over half of the nail, and we're going to paint the other half purple. And my subscribers already know I love shiny things, so I have to put a huge rhinestone on top of the bed of my purple pinky nail. At last, we're gonna go in with the top coat, and we're going to seal in all of that gel and paint, and we're gonna cure that. Here's the final product. We're all done. Let me know how you feel about the nails in the comments below. So if you made it this far, I wanted to personally thank you for watching my entire video. I wanted to thank you guys so much for subscribing if you are a subscriber. If you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. And don't forget to like this video before you go. Make sure you leave a comment below to show me some love. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.